After 8 epic days on Koh Samet, it's time for our next adventure, heading back to the heart of Bangkok. In this video, we'll take you step by step from island paradise to city life, sharing the ferry ride, van transfer and useful travel tips along the way. I'm Dan, she's Lina. Let's hit the road and show you how to make this journey smooth and hassle-free. If you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe for more travel adventures every Wednesday and Sunday.
Leaving Koh Samet this morning. It's kind of bittersweet.
Goodbye, Koh Samet.
Aww. So our taxi is waiting for us, and it's very cheap from Koh Samet to Bangkok. It's only $9 per person for the boat and for the whole transfer. So let's go to Bangkok. Koh Samet on a cloudy day. Yesterday there was a big storm. We've never seen a storm like that since we came to Thailand. It was a big storm. So now we are going to Bangkok.
Yes, I want to explore Bangkok. We're gonna check out everything that we missed last time.
Oh wow! So what do you think about Koh Samet?
Koh Samet is gonna be one of my favorite islands. Best beaches, best water, Koh Kood. First place, second place, Koh Samet, third place, Koh Phangan.
Oh my God, how are we gonna go now? Look at that. Oh, so he's backing up. The street is very small, so I'm glad that he backed up. Yeah, you're gonna see a lot of green taxis here on the island. We're kind of late for the boat because the taxi was late, but hopefully everything will be good.
I want to make one statement that Thai drivers are one of the best in the world. Good drivers.
Skillful drivers.
To tell the truth, I haven't seen car accidents. Only Koh Samui, and that was one crazy motorbiker.
And we have arrived to the pier. This mermaid is the keeper of the island. That's why it's strategically placed here at the pier. Let's get on the ferry. Kind of scary. And off we go. We love Koh Samet. And I'm kind of sad we're leaving.
So dream away, clear up my vision. I want colors to find.
And we have arrived to Rayon. I don't know when the bus is leaving for Bangkok, but we are at Rayon now. Let's see what's happening. Hello, madam. So now we have to find our bus to Bangkok. So we booked our trip to Bangkok. We want to go, and now we're gonna go to obtain the tickets. Want to go? You get your ticket from here, and you're ready to go to Bangkok. So we just got our tickets for the bus to Bangkok, and I'm so thirsty, so I'm getting a smoothie. And guess what kind of smoothie? A mango smoothie, of course. I cannot live without mango smoothie. I don't know how I'm gonna live without mango smoothie in the States. I will have to make one myself there. And it costs 85 baht, so this is 500 baht. Thank you. Here's my mango smoothie. Looks so delicious. Our bus to Bangkok. Let's go in.
The ride was smooth and very pleasant, and this isn't our first time booking with One2Go. You can easily book your trip through the One2Go link in the description below. The trip has two parts: a ferry from Koh Samet to Nuam Tip Pier, about 30 minutes, and then a drive to Bangkok, roughly 3.5 hours, covering 190 kilometers or 118 miles.
Here it's where the taxi is waiting for you after you got off the bus. So here actually is the ticket booth and AKI, that you can get your tickets to Pattaya and to all the places around. Let me find out how much is to Pattaya. How much is to Pattaya from here? 150?
Minivan.
So it's 150 baht from here to Pattaya.
Pattaya.
It's so weird. One person is screaming Pattaya from this side and another person is screaming Pattaya from another side. I don't understand why they have to scream. People can read and see, but I guess that's how it is. And then you're so tired. Our Uber is here, so let's go to our hotel. Hello. How are you? So it's nice and cold in here. Okay, so we have arrived at Hilton. Thank you. See ya. Sawadika.
Thank you.
Kapong kap. We already checked in through the app, so let's get our digital key and go to our room. We checked in just to pick up our digital key.
May I have your passport?
Sure.
Situation under name is.
It's under mine. Yes.
So you have already online check-in already.
Yes.
So for this booking, the room is use the point for the stay for 5 nights.
Yes. So 1814, 1815, 17. Our room is the very last. That's how we selected it. Then you got his executive desk. Let me give you a proper tour. Our room has one king bed. It's amazing and it's so soft. Because in all the islands that we've been here in Thailand, our beds have been very hard. And that's the thing here in Thailand. They like hard beds, which is perfect for your back. It has a desk, executive desk. Let me give it a try. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and follow us. Actually, this is our 7th month here in Thailand, so we have more to show you. If you haven't checked our previous videos, go and check them out. So leave us a comment, give us a like, and make sure you subscribe. We have some coffee, hot chocolate, snacks, and tea, the safe, and some drawers here, the wardrobe. Let's see what we have. I don't see umbrellas and the weather is kind of gloomy, but we have ropes, we have an ironing board, and we have slippers. Let me show you the bathroom. We have a bathtub, and all the amenities are here.
And something that we've noticed here in Thailand, they pretty much don't have any privacy for the bathroom. It looks like many people here in Thailand, maybe in Asia, they like it that way. What I like?
Some privacy.
Privacy! This is what I like!
Yeah.
So that's supposed to be the gym area. And where is the gym?
I don't know, let's find out.
There you go. Fitness center.
Let's go check out the gym.
I'm very excited, guys.
You excited about the gym?
I'm very excited about it.
So this is the gym, this is swimming pool.
Oh, let's check the swimming pool out
Okay.
first. So take us to the gym. And
Treadmills everywhere.
no one is here.
It's good.
Yes, no one is here. You get some lemon water, and when you finish, you get an apple. And you know, guys, an apple a day keeps the doctors away. So make sure you eat apples. I'm eating my apple.
I love this gym, guys. Comparing with other gyms we've seen, this is one of the best we've seen for a hotel. You have everything here: treadmills, bikes, dumbbells, and all this fitness equipment you need.